Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary theory, and in this video we are going to discuss American multiculturalism in the context of cultural studies. Introduction. American multiculturalism refers to the diverse cultural landscape of the United States characterized by the presence and interaction of various ethnic, racial and cultural groups. Over the past half century, the US has witnessed significant changes in its demographic composition and societal attitudes towards race and ethnicity. These changes have been influenced by historical events, legislative actions, and evolving social sciences perspectives, leading to ongoing debates about identity, culture, and inclusion in American society. The Civil Rights Movement and Aftermath. The Civil Rights Movement of the 1960s was a pivotal era in American history that sought to end racial segregation and discrimination against African Americans. The 1965 Watts race riots in Los Angeles drew worldwide attention, highlighting the deep-seated racial tensions in the country. The passage of the Civil Rights Act in 1964 and the Voting Rights Acts in 1965 were significant legislative victories, but they were met with considerable backlash. The Civil Rights March from Selma to Montgomery was marred by violence, and figures like James Meredith, the first African American student at the University of Mississippi, faced violent opposition. The Black Panther Party was founded in response to these injustices, advocating for African American rights and self-defense. Segregation and discrimination. Despite the legislative progress, segregation and discrimination persisted in various forms. Nearly all African American students in the South attended segregated schools, and discrimination was widespread in many industries. Interracial marriage remained illegal in several states, reflecting the entrenched racial prejudices of the time. Julian Bond, an elected state representative, was denied his seat in the Georgia House, exemplifying the systematic barriers faced by African Americans in political and social spheres. Changing perceptions of race. Over the past 50 years, the perception of race has undergone significant transformation. Social scientists have increasingly viewed race as a social construct rather than biological reality. Unlike sex, which is determined by genetic markers, race has no genetic basis. A 1972 Harvard University study by geneticist Richard Leontin found the most genetic differences occurred within racial groups rather than between them. This shift in understanding has led to a re-evaluation of racial categories and a recognition of the arbitrary nature of racial distinctions. Future demographics and cultural shifts. The future demographic landscape of the United States is expected to be markedly different from the past. Interracial marriages and multiracial backgrounds are becoming more common, challenging traditional notions of race. By 2050, demographic trends suggest that Anglo-Americans will no longer be the majority, and English may not be the most widely spoken language. The 2000 census faced challenges in categorizing race, as many biracial or multiracial individuals did not identify with the existing racial categories, reflecting the fluidity and complexity of modern identities. Henry Louis Gates Jr. on race. Henry Louis Gates Jr., a prominent scholar, critiques the concept of race as a dangerous trope. He argues that race is used to create a sense of ultimate, irreducible difference between cultures and groups, often linked to economic interests. Without biological criteria, race is an arbitrary construct that exacerbates social and cultural differences rather than addressing them. Gates's perspective highlights the need to critically examine how language and societal structures perpetuate racial distinctions and inequalities. Ethnicity and race in multicultural studies. The questions of ethnicity and race are central to contemporary multicultural literary studies. Debates arise over which cultures should be included in the literary canon and who has the authority to make these decisions. The definition of culture itself is contested, extending beyond ethnic groups to include communities such as LGBTQ+ individuals. These debates reflect broader issues of representation, inclusion, and the preservation of cultural diversity versus assimilation into the mainstream. Perspectives on canon and culture. Leo Botstein, an influential educator, advocates for a balanced approach to literary and cultural education. He emphasizes the importance of reading both classic works by authors like Aeschylus, Dante, and Shakespeare, as well as texts that offer diverse perspectives. Botstein argues that understanding different cultures and histories, such as the conquest of Mexico or Asian, Latin American, and African histories, is essential for a comprehensive education. This approach promotes a deeper understanding of the common human experience while recognizing the value of diverse cultural narratives. Conclusion: race and ethnicity continue to be significant and complex aspects of American life. Multiculturalism plays a crucial role in enriching the cultural development of the United States, providing a platform for diverse voices and perspectives. However, the ongoing debates about representation, inclusion, and cultural preservation reflect the challenges and contradictions inherent in a multicultural society. As America moves forward, these discussions will shape the future of its cultural landscape and the ways in which it understands and values diversity. So this was the discussion on American multiculturalism in the context of cultural studies. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.